So let's take a look. Here it is. It has a kind of compact footprint and higher driving position that many customers in urban environments are looking for. Stylish, versatile. This model gives a strong indication of what will be a key contributor to our BEV sales here in Europe. We plan to reveal the production version of this car in the first half of next year. Now, you have an idea of 4 of the 6 dedicated BEV models we will launch in Europe. Are you curious to know about the next 2? Well, let's just say we are looking to further expand the portfolio to cover a wider range of customers. And maybe you'll learn more about that in the deep dive. As I mentioned earlier, by 2026, our ZEV portfolio will have grown to over 15 models. And the resulting sales volume will have significantly increased compared to today. By then, we anticipate that our BEV mix in Europe will be over 20% and total volume of more than 250,000 vehicles. We've always been clear that local production of BEVs would come when we are able to secure sustainable volume. We believe we'll be able to make that step around this time frame. I know you want to know more about this topic, but sorry, I'll have to wait a little longer for that information. Turning to alternative zero-emission technologies, we will continue to challenge by developing a number of pathways, including hydrogen combustion, e-fuel, and of course, hydrogen fuel cell. I believe it's important to confirm that we are not giving up on hydrogen fuel cell products like the Mirai or the newly launched Crown Fuel Cell EV. On the contrary, we believe the growing infrastructure stimulated by wider hydrogen use will create an even more compelling reason to choose fuel cell technology for personal mobility in the future. The European Commission has a great confidence in this approach, leading to a 45 billion euro investment in hydrogen overall. And the EU's Transport Infrastructure Fund has awarded 284 million euros, or around 1/3 of its budget, for the installation of hydrogen refueling stations. Toyota would like to strongly contribute to establishing a hydrogen society in Europe. Even though we have the technology, we cannot fully leverage the full potential of our own. We need to collaborate together with the like-minded partners to fully establish a hydrogen society. Momentum is growing, and we are receiving more and more inquiries about our technology and products. Therefore, on a global level, we have established the hydrogen factory to operate together with the BEV factory. To be clear, this doesn't mean we are looking to enter the business of making hydrogen, but does point towards a coordinated approach to the commercialization of hydrogen technology, spanning everything from development and production through sales and after sales. At the same time, our fuel cell development continues at pace And we are planning to launch our third generation technology in 2026. To respond to the increasing level of activities, we are formalizing a dedicated business unit that we call Toyota Hydrogen Factory Europe. This unit will be responsible for producing a growing number of fuel cell systems and support the increasing group of commercial partners. Many of our systems will make their way into trucks, coaches, buses, mailing applications, and stationary power systems. And an increasing number will make their way into light-duty vehicles such as passenger cars and pickup trucks. Back in September, we presented a prototype version of a hydrogen fuel cell Hilux. Development is continuing very well, and we are getting ready to demonstrate it to customers and you, the media, in the coming months. Hilux, of course, is chosen by many customers who need a reliable vehicle to undertake their daily work. As such, it forms a key part of our Toyota Professional fleet. To tell us more about the Toyota Professional, let me invite Matt back on stage. Matt-san, thank you.